Welcome to jQuery Essentials for Beginners. Within this course, we're going to be running through how to use jQuery from start to finish and all the wonderful things that you can do with jQuery. Now, one of the reasons to use jQuery and what jQuery is that jQuery is one of the most powerful JavaScript libraries in use today. It's also referred to as a JavaScript framework or JavaScript library. And it's installed on over 65% of the top 10 million highest trafficked websites within the internet today. It's also free, open sourced software, and it's a JavaScript library. And one of the main reasons why we love using jQuery is because simply it simplifies JavaScript programming, allowing you to create and update your JavaScript quicker and easier. It wraps common JavaScript tasks into a method which you can then call from just a few simple lines of code. It makes it easier to navigate a document. You're able to select DOM elements very easily, create animations, handle events, and use Ajax much easier than you would just by using JavaScript. So all of this is available within jQuery, and we're going to be running through all the steps, how to use this powerful dynamic library within your web development process as well. And one of the other things really to note about jQuery is that it allows you to have these dynamic interactions with your web users via jQuery. And it's really focused on these dynamic interactions between your web pages and the user. So if you want to learn more about jQuery, jQuery.com is a great place to start. And then also having experience with JavaScript and CSS will really help you adapt to jQuery much quicker. Just another quick rundown about the benefits of using jQuery is that it's small and it loads really quickly. It's super powerful, allowing you to create amazing interactions quickly. It's also very straightforward. And again, if you're familiar with CSS, the selectors are the same as CSS, so you're going to be able to really easily adapt to it to using jQuery if you're familiar with CSS. And also jQuery in general, it's really easy to get started and up and running with it, and it's also easy to add all of this jQuery functionality within your JavaScript, again really easily by just connecting to that jQuery library, and you're up and running and you've got jQuery available within your web page. So we're going to be showing you all of these wonderful things with jQuery within the next few lessons.